Hey there, good morning. We're here just after dawn at a beautiful formal garden at the Best Western Premier Hotel in Lebanon, Oregon, about 160 miles from the coast.
We're going to go on a quiet photo walk. We're going to take you with us. We're going to share some friendly tips as we explore. And so let's get started.
I'll be shooting with my Nikkor 28-400 on my Z5, which is a full-frame camera.
And I'll be shooting with my Tamron 18-400 f-mount lens on my crop sensor Z50 with the FTZ adapter.
Arriving early gives you soft, golden light and a peaceful surrounding. Early light is flattering and gentle, perfect for bringing out color and mood. Use foreground elements like leaves or flowers or branches to frame your subject. Frame light-colored subjects against dark backgrounds.
Slowing down lets the scene come to you. Sitting here gave us time to notice things we might have walked right past.
We both had a tough time getting our cameras to focus on the fish through the water, but we didn't give up, and in the end, we each got a shot we really liked. This was such a peaceful morning. Zoom lenses really let you explore. From close-ups to wide views, you really get it all.
Whether you're just looking to slow down or even if you're a beginner, garden walks are a perfect way to practice your craft. Thanks for joining us.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And let us know where you're taking your camera next. Before we wrap up today's photo walk, I've got a quick story and a classic photography tip. It's one of those little gems that stuck with me for years, and I think it might come in handy for you too. A few decades ago, I found myself with some time to kill. I don't remember exactly where I was, but I was bored and looking for anything to read. There weren't many options around, but I spotted this old U.S. Navy publication lying around. Out of curiosity, I picked it up and started flipping through it. Turns out it was a manual for Navy photographers, kind of like a how-to guide for shooting locations. One part really stuck with me. When documenting a place or an event, the photographer was instructed to capture a wide-angle establishing shot, then follow it up with a few medium shots, and finally a series of close-ups. That simple three-step formula, wide, medium, close-up, was all about creating visual variety and keeping the viewer engaged. And you know what? That recipe still works today. You'll see it everywhere, in magazines, in videos, in movies. It's simple storytelling. But over the years, we've added a little twist, a fourth component to the mix. Shoot something unexpected. Something fun, something quirky, something that adds a little sparkle or surprise to your location shots. It's that extra touch that can really bring a scene to life. So next time you're out shooting, try this 4-part formula: wide, medium, close-up, unexpected. Let it guide your story. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments. That wraps it up for today. Coming up next is a look at our photo gallery.